So today we're here changing the alternator for a Volvo XC90 T5 R-Design
2019, right?
2019. Basically this is same from 2016 or 17 and up.
Yeah, the
First step we have to remove.
8mm.
What is this?
8mm. I need to take on this. Yeah.
This is arm, right? Engine
yeah,
arm?
strut, upper strut. It's an upper strut. Okay, for replacing the first step, we need to remove the battery.
Okay. The mechanic said that we have to remove the battery first step. Removing battery. Only one side, right?
Yes. We can just negative.
If you don't remove the battery, what's gonna happen?
Nah, you're gonna get short. You're gonna blow.
That's a problem, big problem. Okay. One thing, guys, this is my second time that I'm changing the alternator. The reason is because you see this? This is aftermarket one. Aftermarket one on the Volvo, it doesn't work. Don't even think about it. So what I did in the Volvo was 1100, and I bought another one used. See, this is perfect for $100. So I'm just telling you, if you're thinking to buy aftermarket, don't do it.
Remove the upper strut motor mount. You need a 13mm.
13mm?
Yeah.
Okay, almost ready. Okay. You need to remove this one.
Yeah, we need to remove.
What is it?
The first, this bolt first of all. I connect the motor mount with upper strut. We need a 15mm.
Okay. $15mm for this?
Yeah. Now the engine is full. Need to remove the bracket mount.
So this is the bracket, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
First of all, we need to remove it's a ground wire.
That's the ground wire.
Yeah.
That one?
Yeah, it's a ground wire.
Okay.
Just remove it. Before we take off.
So now,
We need to remove the motor mount because we need space. Taking it out.
this over here.
It's a 4 volt 13mm.
Okay. 4 bolts, right? Two over here,
Two in,
one there, one there. Alright, simple and easy, right?
yeah, simple.
Nice. You see now how much space we got now? So we have this one, right?
Yeah, that is the spring tension. First of all, we need to remove the belt.
Oh,
We
okay.
need a 19mm wrench. And we can press it here to remove. Okay. We can use a 19. It's more easy, a 19mm wrench, and we can just press it clockwise. We have the you need to remove the positive cable of alternator in this case. It's a 13mm nut.
Where is it? In the bottom?
It's here.
Okay. Oh, that thing over there. Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna do like that. We're gonna compress the belt, the spring, and we're gonna move the see? And the belt is out.
So the belt is on.
Yeah, just compress. And put the 19mm wrench here. And just press it.
Oh,
And the
okay.
spring.
Alright.
Okay. That is I'm gonna do later. And now we need to remove the tension. It has two 10mm bolts.
See, it has two. See this one? Wait. That one. The one over there. See right there? That's one. It has two. That one needs 10mm?
10mm.
Okay. That's to remove the spring, right?
Yeah. Okay, this spring tension has two bolts. Okay, 2mm, and it has another bolt for 13mm down there. You need to remove
Where?
that too. You have to remove all this.
Where is the other one?
It's here. Look at that. You see that? That's here.
Oh.
Hmm?
Alright.
You see?
Mm-hmm. That's the
Okay,
one.
yeah, remove it.
Yeah. Okay.
The harder part is that bolt there, because it's a little bit tight.
Okay. You see, guys? That's the one over there.
Because
That's
you
the
can,
one.
after you removing all this part here, you get access to the alternator.
Okay.
To bolt.
Okay. All right. Okay. You got it?
Okay, yeah. Okay. Remove this
All right.
tension and pull.
Okay. And now?
Now we have access to two bolts of alternator, 13mm, one here and one is in the bottom here.
And that's it? Only two?
Yeah, it's only two bolts.
Okay. All right. Let's do it.
Vamos a sacar one. Good.
You know?
Live na po siya, okay? Then you live.
So now you took out those bolts,
Yeah,
right?
I took off the bolt.
You're removing that just to
Yeah,
open
the
space,
wiring,
right?
yeah, to get more space. But this is broken, but it's okay. I'm gonna put a new one. Okay, and now we can just push it.
That's it.
Just wiggle.
Alright. That's it, guys. I hope it helps everyone.
Yep.
So, just to let you know, my friend here, for everyone who works in New Jersey or who lives in New Jersey, most of in Bergentown or Passaic or like North Jersey, he can come and fix everything for you. Here it is, right here, for every one of you. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps somebody. Thank you. Have a good day.